What if every sale, every delivery, and every license issuance happened while you were sound asleep? Most Shopify owners are stuck in a manual loop, copy-pasting license keys, attaching PDFs to emails, or manually checking calendars to see if they're free for a consult. That isn't a business, it's a high-stress hobby. Hi, this is Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and today we're breaking down the 6 automations that turn your Shopify store into a hands-off digital powerhouse. The first rule of automation is never touch a file. If a customer buys an ebook or software, they expect it now. This is exactly why you need a Shopify digital downloads app. Instead of you manually sending attachments, the right digital downloads app triggers a branded professional email the moment the payment clears. It's the difference between a customer waiting 4 hours for you to wake up and them getting to work on your content 4 seconds after they buy. If you're selling software or high-end assets, you cannot be manually generating keys. You need a system that generates a unique, trackable license for every order. A digital downloads app handles this seamlessly. It creates the key, assigns it to the user, and sets the activation limits so you don't have to play digital bouncer every time a new version drops. Digital products aren't always files. Sometimes they're your time. If you sell coaching or technical setups, you shouldn't be emailing back and forth to find a time slot. This is where our other app, Booked, comes in. It's a Shopify appointment setter that syncs to your Google Calendar. It treats your time like a digital product, available 24/7 for booking without you ever having to say, "Does 2 p.m. work for you?" Stop being your own customer support. If a customer loses their download link or forgets their license key, they shouldn't have to email you. By automating a self-service portal, they can log in, see their entire purchase history, and re-download their files on their own time. It saves you hours of support tickets every single week. Moving from one-off sales to subscriptions is the ultimate automation. You want a system that bills the customer every month and automatically renews their digital access or software license. Your digital downloads app will let you set these flexible billing intervals so the revenue becomes predictable and the delivery remains automated. Finally, automate your security. You shouldn't have to manually turn off access for a refund or an expired subscription. Set your links to expire after a certain number of days or downloads. If a payment fails, the system should automatically revoke the license key. This keeps your IP safe while you focus on the big picture growth. Automating your business is about creating a professional experience that customers trust. That's exactly what you get with PayDrop. This digital downloads app is designed to remove the friction for both you and your buyers. You can find both apps on the Shopify App Store, built by the Shop Ninjas to help you scale. If you're ready to stop the manual grind, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and let us know in the comments which part of your business you're ready to automate first. I'm Evan, and I'll see you in the next one.